Hello guys, so it's Wednesday once again, and it's going to be another one of those update videos because once again, no time to plan anything. So I just got back from an evening with CCIS, which is basically an event, a new event that my college started because there were a lot of students who applied this year and were accepted into the college, and so they decided they wanted to be able to show each of the students like all the different things that the college has to offer and everything. So yeah, I just got back from that, had some good talks with some people who are in my major, who are already like juniors and fourth year students. But right before I went over there, I got another package in the mail, and this package is kind of special because inside of it are two books that I've been wanting for a very long time. I ordered them like the day after I got to school, so these have been a long time coming, and they're from two of my favorite people on the internet who have given me a lot of inspiration to do things like this, so thank you to the both of you. And I'm gonna open it right now because that's what I thought this video should be. So here we go. Scissors, scissors, opening box, making up song because I don't know what to fill the space with. And I can't open this side of the box. Oops. Hold on. Blah blah blah. Okay, this is getting difficult. Yeah, scissor time. Got it. Okay. So plastic wrap, whatnot, and coupons, which for Barnes & Noble, sure, why not? But here we go. Grace's Guide, because Grace Helbig is amazing, and Hannah Hart's Cookbook. I basically got them both just for the little anecdotes that they have inside, not because I want to learn how to cook, but I do want to learn how to pretend to be a grown-up, which is basically what this book is going to be about. So I'm looking forward to reading both of these. I'm very excited that they both came in. This book was just released yesterday, the 21st of October. So if you want, you can go pick this up in stores now or buy it online. I know that if you order the ebook, you get two free videos, or videos that are specific to people who buy the ebook that no one else is able to see. So that's pretty interesting. You might want to do that. Who knows? And this book has been out for a while now. So you can also pick this up in bookstores around your area, I guess. But yeah, that's basically all I wanted to talk about and do in this video. So yeah, I'm not going to be promising anything else anymore. Just update videos, and maybe something if I get the chance. This weekend, starting on Friday, my mom is going to be coming because it's parent weekend here at the university. So I'm going to be doing stuff with her. There's this talk from this guy who wrote a book. Yeah, very informative, Kevin. But the book is about the assassination of John F. Kennedy, and the guy who's going to be giving the presentation and who wrote the book was the guy who, in the video, if you've ever seen the video, is the one who jumps into the car while it's going and right after the president gets assassinated. So I'm looking forward to that. And then we're going to probably do some other things. But yeah, that'll be pretty cool with having her around. Hopefully I can film that and upload a video about all that next Wednesday. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, today was pretty productive. I got some homework done with my partner for computer science, which was pretty cool. But having these books come in and finally being able to read these, I'm looking forward to it. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or night, wherever you are. And until next Wednesday, I'll be seeing you later. Bye.